Evening. Good evening, viewers. Malo mo follow you mala na tentinde. It's all about welcoming of Baba Ousainou, His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe. I just want to throw my little advice to my fellow UDP militants in the Gambia. So in this blessing Sunday evening, it's going to be a very short Facebook, inshallah. So Badingolu Albealo Neko, His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe, inshallah tomorrow by this time he will be in Gambia. Alama Omari I will America Kaira, I futa Gambia Kaira another delegation or more. For the past 2 months, he has been crisscrossing different parts of the world in Europe and America, converging funds for the United Democratic Party from the citizens. Citizens that feel that in that country we need to salvage the country from the bunch of criminals. So His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe and his team has been in Europe here and in America trying to accumulate funds so that the United Democratic Party, they could have at least something to start with their political campaign and to sell the political agenda, the manifesto of United Democratic Party to the Gambian people, both home and diaspora. So, wadalilo wole en sambanan jang, bao ngajele minnene manke, polisol laftaka woleke. But because UDP is a law-abiding political party, Brother Lamin Daumbe Kondonabag, UDP is a law-abiding political party. Amanke konka silale, silang kunte. Lafta bankole marala. Andu nga fil ko, nintel nga banko mara. Tilimbali yabe stop la wo banko kan. Oto, mfangolo nyanta kela ambassador leti. Andu UDP has always been an ambassador of peace. Nga police la pamito jele, ye pamito min issue to United Democratic Party kan. Yagu chambe kontrona bag. Manglanu yu bahaba. Ye pamito min issue to United Democratic Party kan. The police that's supposed to protect the citizens of the Gambia are the very institution trying to provoke the citizens of the Gambia. Because, take an example of that always. If you give me a peasant, a container dun theater room or kongatanga peasant to operate, what do you expect? Do you expect that peasant to come alive? I would kill the peasant. Because it's not my job. Yaje doko foya di doko no lala. Bar niman lela londola ye tale ye keje ye ibe kala jorangoti ibe jora yamanya damale kala keta jata isa mbe kondon ibe jora ma ibe doku ibe kala doku jorangolati. So the Gambia Police Force, Gambia Police Force Millon, very ethical. And on his sign, we have very ethical police officers in that institution. But the heads are the problem. Santon Kol, Milmuila Alfaluti, Wallon problem. So, police, ikoye pamito mi issue UDP kan, Wallon Muntiko, United Democratic Party. Iko wala executive the whole Gambia pour katela itella Alpha Bendung Airport iko mo takti ye wala allow wala be dunna airport ko. Airport is a public place. Airport is a public place. Hani atrako ite Max Miral ite la fita tamala kata tubabudu. Ni la family is 50 people ibe la fita na le na airport. You have right puri la family of 50 ibe na airport. Because airport nene mafo moeko, there is a limitation of people to come and welcome or to come and see of ila loved one. Airport never say that. But the Gambia Police Force, Pate Bar, coming we have very ethical police officers, Minulia Lonko. They are seasoned police officers. These people are very respectful police officers. But the head of the police, Deputy Inspector General of Police, yeta operation, yeta CMC. Police they are not serving the Gambian people. They are only serving the presidency. Mbenga Demba Soje Janne during the time of Jammeh, what he has done, I'm for TRRC. So, this Momodu Sow and in Pate Jallo, they are not even police officers. What happens sometimes, Nimol Findida, Gambia police, Amanka could drop out all the Malakata Gambia police. You have very intelligent people in that Gambia police force. But Munati Nema elevate no because of the bad leadership, member police. Because ya alone they are smart, a karanta, is a palazzo marano, and we be palazzo sambala with impartiality, it be fair la molu da manglu tema. Iteleke Kali, Mobe police, you have an attestation inside your file, me alonko, you swore, because you will serve the Gambian people without fear or favor, ill will or affection. Police will be so sign ni Pate Jallo because he is the operation commander. Abanka wala qualification na ya tina yake operation commander. There are 1,000 times people who are more qualified. They can teach Pate Jallo even how to be a police officer. Pate bi ni kaiko I correct voluntary statement or safi wala cautionary statement. It is going to be difficult for him because Hamalo. He's TSG. Yes, brother Segulan. Happy Sunday. So, Niko UDP be more tatile sambala airport until after minfola UDP nkole. Until we are law abiding people. Lafta bankole la. So mbaitan la banku dingul lalako. We are ambassadors of Gambia. Everybody supposed to be your own ambassador. No condition. But it will push la to commit something. No. Mbe UDP be Danila. Yes, hello, brother Omar Sane. Mr. Omar Barombe Kondon. Mbe UDP be Danila. Nal futata airport bundado al danji. Ale alfalubula ye dun konoto. Nini His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe nata fo bundato alfal ba hano vala kafo bulule kafo sa dandang fala kordato pipeline yemimbe plan sama albe paramilitary dolu jela along the road yata dolu ibe dolu bitindi la anti-crime with tear gas or riot gears ibe ole dilela riot gears because ilaftaka fitino la nyini UDP la the same police officer itelle ya for presidential advisor jam because presidential advisor la ako police le kay ko UDP ko lewo police fulol bunki dola ako police na fay. So what they want is that ko ilaftalebe UDP think no la nyame because they are very unqualified, very unprofessional. Ya lonko ite UDP ban nola. But Purka UDP non di molu nyakoto while they are the wolf in a sheep clothing police officers. I respect that job. It's a noble job. Police Doku is a very noble job. para tutale ite min ba ke kan ya ke nyaadi le police ke ba jama miliri tata policiala ibukeje nyabo kuto jamalu mune kake dol bita wachi man ya nyino la hotelol to dol kata si indianol la perewol le koto indianol be yusla fonte la generals nyanda kala wala nyaba go to Senegal and see their ex-generals. They have facilities, they have opportunity. Go to Nigeria, see their generals. Tom, salaam alaikum. How is England? But what is different in Gambia? Because selective justice walekatama. Even though Dulalto, they would not give the job to somebody who merit the job, but they will give the job to somebody who dogo for them, not by merit. There are seasoned police officers who can be very good qualified police operational commander, not party. The same party, atele afo jadnu 3 years jotna la wato, ko 3 years jotna nkolu, walmu UDP nkolleti. The same party, ala audio leaked. The same party, wo NPP nkolu fintita janne ko, biri munati ne party bonne paramilitary, itel they have to fight for party, pour ye party muruna paramilitary, pour kanaka UDP nkolu tajirantea. The same party, wole ka Momodu Sabali Sambano aka sindi paramilitary. Kala nyantolu tinya. So it's a compensation. It's a compensation. So Ndebe Mimfola, Inspector General of Police here, he is the head. Whatever happened in that department, he will be the one to be blamed. Andum inim police ol mirube do kola imalla fila kete je opposition out. They don't want you to have a good name. They don't want you to have a good name in that position. But ima hanyilede because ila closeness to the family of the president. Ni wonte Momodu Sow, Pate Jallo, Demba Sow, wol nenete la fila purite na yete kete wol nyato Inspector General of Police. Yamaja Ablai Sanyang, biring ay kibaro soto ko ba kala Interior Minister. Aborital Dulal leto kaitandiko yeta ye president of Dana te lafta tula Inspector General of Police yale ama lafta la minister ku jamal lebe kering bari bebi na Senegal le ni ndeko na sise la ko mbensingo lola kan because na sise ntenga lonne bari ni pajara nata pajara mi man na sise lon debe palaso mi do pajara sida pajara ba singo wulindi la bero nyin kanede ngam mi mabo tapeo duma pajara ba bondi lalde oto nalbe do kola alalla do ko kenin tilingola nin horomo nin bunya pajara. How was your fundraising in Sweden last night? UDP fundraising jag mbe konto na bag so oto ntelu UDP dingolu alingata kuluo luwa bunya ngata airport oto ni yatra ko UDP nkol fangolte baw senu malafinu minna baw senu lafta minna ay nanang ay tala bungo kono ay na UDP nkol kumandi manjay biroto ani UDP nkol ay na la silo foye bari baw senu tante a fanti baw senu don't make the decision in UDP. The UDP make the decision nga bunya fai. Okay. Maybe same thing ke messenger to after send number kia yamu jag. So Bausenu is a man miya lonko amuka kibir. And he's a man who always obeys the laws of the country. He respects the laws of that country. sa impate Jallo italon operation commandant lafite NPP minko ilafta puriyata baro bennu bira botanan New York iko puriyata bennu lafite la pamito jelala and the condition of the permit muna nema fo fanale ko NPP de mo tati wala bitala ka baro bennu airport are they above the law nkoyela on professionalism jale. What is the country code? Jag, what is the country code? Is the country code in Kenya? Nkoya jela alkama nyami. Albuka tonya tamandala do kono. You want to be famous? Itemu green snake let in a green grass. Ni public fintita, ike fam fintindi to talk. You are the most unprofessional police officer in the Gambia police force. Because human police don't go for one. But because of tribal sentiment. Because of tribal sentiment. Okay, thank you, Jag. Thanks. Thank you. Because of tribal sentiment. Because of tribal sentiment. So why if Afro UDP supposed to go Purkatela president Alifa Bendung with 30 people while airport is a public place for everyone? And moreover, tomorrow Sunday is not going to be a busy day at the airport. How many flights will level land at the airport at 5 o'clock? Niatra airport lo milia longo, you go to Heathrow. You go to Brussels. You go to Frankfurt. Minuria Longo, every minute flight will land, flight will go. Flight will land, flight will go. Flight will land, flight will go. Gambia airport or Mia Longo, sometimes Al Casino and around Frankfurt because flight bukana is dormant. Ntaka doko ke airport over. Gambia airport na doko ke jere. Sanjifula. Molka sino siran kono le fonkodo ida departure fonkodo wala arrival foi ka kirindi flight bugana. If you do not show ethics in your job, it respects sort of. But it's like, look at the CDS. CDS has been spotted in C4 during a political tournament. NPP sponsored tournament. CDS was there. The CDS, Mia Longo, he is the most undecorated army commander. Oh, okay. Oh, very good, very good, very good. That's a good news. That's a good news. That's a good news. CDS, because of Dauda Jallo, I coupled Natis Sifo, Pro Sifo Kasifo, Diningol Nene. Dauda Jallo has not been productive to the people of Sifo. He has not been supportive. But Munatina, okay, because I faniale from Gambia Bay about the constitution, Amaluta, Amalabe Minkela Ko, Mbatungata na Kopo Landi, Sifo, so that I can show to the president that ko ndefananga political base sotaile Sifo. That Dauda Jallo is not helping the people of Sifo. Sifo nkola kamano sanjelel. Ndeka mano sa minna. UDP nkola sa minna alkasa wala. Dauda Jallo aka jojelela. Alawans balbe dunna biya hayna ay bunjangol lelo. Altembe sirin Sifo albe patarinje. Munatina alafa ko al dingol sponsor. Woleta University. Isaja alfa al dingol sekeno minister. Bari kan nene ñu kopola ina $15,000 kale o kono. $15,000. Yalla no mu Dauda Jallo la tili ama ala tili killing nata ta Dakar ala tili killing wala tambida ayo min base pen ala tili killing nata ta Dakar o kodo I will be the altel si fonko la be don na be fonko kel mi ya lonko he is very unethical. Dawda Jallow is a political appointee because Gambia minister they are political appointee mambala wala, but CDS kamune nyinije director general of GRA kamune nyinije Yankuba Dabo mafo ndella jula man na feala de salin be ko don baki arama ne be ko don mawofu nko munan na Yankuba Dabo GRA yalon is it kunun or kununko on my Facebook nga Yankuba Dabo ning QTV mintam QTV Mohammed Jah yalo nga bela ko mo fale jan he was on the list of Barrow ikomi ikomol mil yalon ko pour Barrow is a Barrow replace and they will defend Barrow. Yankuba Dabo was in the list for presidency pour NPP bari ko Barrow lo ko nying is more of UDP kana ta ko abe nyimbe ke he is more of UDP Ahmad Bawol le yanin yo dunde Barrow to loko, but Yankuba Dabo is destroying that country very mercilessly. But baby now whatever you brush under the carpet, it will come one day to the light. This is why Ibe Kumulni Kamulu Be Kuntula to see His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe at the helm of the Gambia, because he is the one who is going to salvage that country without fear or favor, ill will or affection. That man, Nko, Alingam Famalu Yininka Jumalo Ousainou Darboe. He is sincere, he is a man with ethics, he has moral, he is contempt. He is contempt. So UDP Nkolu, Alita Kaira, Aliesi Banta, Aliedna Executive for Buleta Airport, they receive Ba Ousainou, Inimba Ousainou, Alia la Contano Yitandi, Alia la Kulke, Alia Shamba for pipeline. Kaira nin Kaira. They will try to provoke you. Ali itno, ala la camera use, ala la mobile charge. Police sold any brutality, ala video, alia natal, alia futandi social media. Let us make them famous. We have to make life miserable for these people. Ni tita na inata Europe, any part of Europe, ngeje dawo da ngate noma. Ila hotel Bundal Tolomba, ijiata dawo da ngate noma ngaitandiko they are the enablers of dictator. So ala baraka bake, viva UDP, Ousainou mbe duale bake for ebona America Kaira, yefuta Gambia Kaira, inila setan kool mili be plan ka be murule faul le ngoka. Altada manka mankundal, altaja ale malu subo domo je ko ngoy kam malole sambayna sawo sanata le altali o domo dron. This country we want to save it. Mbenga dua ala ma mari adama baroka na muruna no banjun. Ataitu manka mankunda anyina na bankola president ya ko famala to sirinje. We are done with this man. Allah baraka bakinal tendu